Well, Halloween came and went, and you should have a few of these left over. Thanksgiving's coming up, and you may use a few pumpkins for something, but a lot of them get tossed out, and that's a shame because there's some things you can do with them to get some more use out of them. Come on and I'll show you how. A few of the obvious traditional things are pumpkin pie and pumpkin bread. But you can use pumpkins for a variety of other things. They're actually really healthy, full of vitamins, and they're good for making a lot of different types of meals. Pumpkin seeds are also pretty good in trail mixes and salads and stuff. For what I'm making in this video, I'm going to cut the pumpkin chunks pretty small, like a 1/2 inch by a 1/2 inch. I'm using a sweet potato here to go with the pumpkin, and I'm also cutting it at about 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch chunks. I'll be frying the pumpkin and the sweet potato together in olive oil. I usually turn the burner on high heat and get the oil smoking hot before I dump in the pumpkin and the sweet potato. After dumping the pumpkin and the sweet potato into the oil, I immediately try to cover all the pieces with oil. This helps them to keep from sticking to the skillet later on when you flip them. When they're finished frying, but before I take them out of the pan, I usually douse them good with cinnamon. You don't have to use any sweeteners because the sweet potatoes are already sweet naturally. Another good use for pumpkin is in stew. Pumpkin makes a good addition to a healthy pot of stew. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful or entertaining, please pass it along. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.